Hey there, adhesive innovators. Are you ready to revolutionize healthcare with cutting-edge adhesive technology? If you're an R&D chemist, a technical service manager, or just someone passionate about medical advancements, you won't want to miss this. Medical adhesives are changing the game in patient care. From advanced wound closures and minimally invasive surgeries, to wearable medical devices and transdermal drug delivery systems, these adhesives are everywhere. Think silicone, acrylic, hydrogel, and even bio-based formulations. They're all designed to be biocompatible, moisture-resistant, and gentle yet strong. Imagine adhesives that can handle long-term wear, biodegrade safely inside the body, or even respond to changes in pH or temperature. Innovations like muscle-inspired bioadhesives and conductive adhesives for biosensors are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. But to truly harness these technologies, you need to stay ahead. That's why this online training is a game changer. Okay, let me tell you why you can't afford to miss it. First, your competitors are already using next-gen adhesives. While you're stuck with outdated formulas, innovators are using gecko-inspired bioadhesives and smart hydrogels that respond to wound conditions. This training reveals the breakthrough adhesives reshaping patient care. Miss it, and you'll keep playing catch-up in a fast-moving market. Second, this isn't just any other lecture. Tired of adhesives that fail when patients sweat? Or materials that irritate sensitive skin? We'll discuss solutions for long-term wearability, biocompatibility, and clinical performance. Practical fixes you can implement immediately to avoid costly trial and error. Third, you'll get insider knowledge you can't find online. Discover trade secrets like adjusting tack for delicate skin, which adhesives work with biosensors, and formulation tricks that took years to perfect. This is hard-won expertise from professionals who've solved these challenges daily. And finally, get answers to your most frustrating adhesive failures. Struggling with dressings that won't stay put? Implant adhesives that degrade too fast? Our experts have solved these exact problems for top medtech companies, and they'll share battle-tested fixes for your specific challenges. Who should attend? Well, R&D chemists, formulators, scientists, new product developers, technical service managers, lab managers, product managers, and professionals from adhesives and related raw materials areas. Don't get left behind. Join this training and lead the way in medical adhesive innovation. Ready to transform healthcare? Register today. To register, click on the link in the description or visit OnlyTRAININGS.com now.